everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when it says turn on your console and sign in with your Xbox on the Xbox app on your phone, so if it's not working or something like that. So just open up the Xbox app, and then what you want to do is go up to the top, go to this little Xbox symbol on the home screen, so press the home button and then go to this. And just make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as your Xbox, so scroll on down. Make sure whatever it is for Wi-Fi is the same thing you're connected to on your Xbox. So that's the most important part. But when it gets to set up Xbox, go to set up a console and go to add an existing console and then go to next. And it says turn on your Xbox. So if you get to this screen, what you want to do is go on over to your Xbox and then go up to the top and go to settings. And then scroll on down to where it says devices and connections and go to remote features. Now you probably have remote features already connected. So you can see on my screen it says turn on your Xbox, annoying thing. So let's disconnect this and then go back over to that. So let's close out of here now. Go back up the top, press the Xbox little streaming button, go to set up a console and go to add existing console now. And then go to next. And then it says turn on your console and sign in. Now it automatically goes to this screen where it says I have to enable. So all you had to do was disable remote play for some reason. Very confusing, but this is what works. And then just go to enable in the background. So I'm going to press enable. And then it should prompt you to go through the setup process. So I'm just going to do Xbox upstairs or something. You're all set. Let's go to done. And then it says set up a console, Xbox upstairs. So we can just do this, add existing, go to next. Now it should connect here, and we should be good to go and start playing. So just make sure you have it disabled it, and then re-enable it right there. And your Xbox should be on your console, on here now. So you can see my upstairs Xbox. It says manage games and console open, control how to use remote play. So we can just go to this, learn more, and then we should be good to go from here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.